Is your MDF file corrupted or damaged? Repair and recover its data using Kernel for SQL Database Recovery. Get back tables, indexes, records, unique keys, stored procedures, foreign keys, default values, checks, roles, etc. from damaged MDF files. Here are the steps to repair and recover MDF file. Download, install, and launch the tool in your system. Click on the Open button to add the corrupted MDF file. Click on the Browse button adjacent to the Select Database field. Select the required MDF file and click Open. Choose any of the recovery modes from Standard Scan and Advanced Scan. You can either select Auto Detect Database Version or manually select the Database Version option as per your requirements. Similarly, under the Collation option, either select Auto Detect or Manual. Select the Include Deleted Records in the Recovery option to save all the deleted data from the SQL database. Once done, click on the Recover button. Expand the database folder from the left pane to preview its data. Select the required table to recover data from, or select the entire database, then click the Save button. Here you will see 3 saving modes. The first one is SQL Server. You can directly save data to SQL Server by entering the server name, selecting from Windows Authentication or Server Authentication, choosing Create a Database or Existing Database, and selecting the collation name. Note, the first option will only work if you have an active database configured on your system. The second one is Save as SQL Script. You can save the data locally to SQL Scripts in your system and later use it. Click on the Browse button to provide the saving destination. The last option is CSV file format. Click on the Browse option to provide the saving destination to save tables in the CSV file. Finally, click on OK to begin the repairing and recovery process. Wait for a moment, and the tool will show you the Saving Done Successfully message. Click OK to end the process. In this way, the process to repair and recover a corrupted MDF file is completed. To know more about the tool, visit the official website. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.